Hello everyone. Let me know down below how your day was, and hopefully you guys are having a good day. You guys are going to be getting a POV nighttime drive today because once again running out of content ideas, and I am finishing. I already did a muffler delete, but I'm finishing an exhaust and putting a small muffler out the back of the G35, and then on the 28th, which is this following Monday, my plenum spacer comes in, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And then I also am doing valve cover gaskets on my car soon, which I am ordering with my upcoming paycheck. So there is things to come, but I just don't have things at the current moment. So it makes it kind of hard. So I'm trying to give you guys anything I can to continue to upload on a daily basis. Not daily, but a regular basis. So hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, and we're recording.
No music?
Go away.
Awesome. Do you have a charger in here I could borrow?
Nope.
Phone's at 1%.
I have a wireless charger up here that you can't put your phone in yet. You'll be okay till we get home. where you work is going to be a week off.
This week without taxes, I would have made $175.
So about what I make in 3 days. It's okay. At least you're getting paid 11 an hour. My first job I started at 9. Signals on, but not on.
It's actually on?
Yeah.
I can hear it.
Yeah, my turn signal is genuinely on. If I go like this, everything turns on. Love having a G35. I didn't buy it. I got it for free. My car doesn't let me do that either. Rusty.
Rusty driving her car to work?
I don't know. His truck isn't running, so I'd assume so.
I'm excited to try some of this food she made.
It's pretty damn good.
Probably hungry.
Also, guys, just to add, do not forget that at wickedlyboosted.com, if you use the code BLUETIB10, you will get 10% off anything store-wide. It's my first sponsor, and I'm trying to push it every video, because if I can do good on this sponsor, and other sponsors can see that I can get the name out and get more sponsorships, and I'm hoping to eventually have sponsors help me pay for my build, which would be nice. So it would do me a very big favor, and it would save you some money on some quality content, some quality stuff to use my code. All you do is you put it in when you check out. It'll ask you if you want to use a code, and it helps me tremendously, like you guys have no idea. And it helped me so much. So please check out wickedlyboosted.com. I'll put it up here. Please just check it out and use my code, which will also be here, BLUETIB10. So it helps me more than you guys think. So hope you guys have a nice rest of your day or night, depending upon when you're watching this. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.